Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So a while back, I purchased the Nvidia Shield Android TV, and I got the 16 gig model along with the Nvidia Shield controller and the remote. And I did do an initial review on this. If you wanted to see it, I will leave that in the description area below. And so the Nvidia Shield, in my opinion, is still the best in two big ways. The first way is in streaming services. If you're the type of person who has already cut the cord and you love things like Netflix, Amazon, YouTube, or any of the countless other streaming services, this machine does it the best, mainly because of the processing power that it has underneath. Even though this came out in 2015, the Tegra X1 processor is still the best. It gives you pretty much the best performance, and it really gives you a seamless experience that is really unrivaled compared to other boxes. And then not only is it an awesome streaming service, but also it is a media server as well. So if you're using a service like Plex, you could use the Nvidia Shield to be your media server, and it has USB input so you can put in your external storage, and there you go. And because it's also an Android TV, it also has Chromecast built in, so it's a Chromecast device as well. And so there's so many things that this thing does, and at the same time, it could do it at 4K. And so that is the very first thing that it does. Now, the next big thing that the Nvidia Shield does so well, and in my opinion for casual gamer does it the best, is gaming. So let's go ahead and start with the Nvidia GeForce Now service, which is their streaming service. And I was really surprised by how good this is, because obviously you're going to have a good internet connection, but once you have one and you play the game, it's like practically seamless. I mean, I could not tell that I wasn't playing this locally. And because it's running on their servers, you could get pretty much the highest graphics settings on there. And this really blows me away. And this really shows you where the future is going. You know, if the streaming services could be this good for pretty much every game without latency, you might not ever need game consoles again. And I know that's where the entire industry is heading. But to have it right here on the Nvidia Shield is absolutely amazing. And what I love about the Nvidia Shield is they do give you some free games like this one right here, Ocean Street Fighter 4. But you can also play some newer games as well as they become available on their GeForce Now service. And so that is the first big part of gaming that I was really surprised, and in a very good way. And so my favorite feature of the Nvidia Shield is emulation. If you are somebody who loves retro games, then I really don't feel you could do better than Nvidia Shield overall. Because of the power that it actually has underneath the hood, it could pretty much play every single game system if it actually has the emulators available and if it's well optimized. And once you get things set up, the whole experience is seamless. And whenever you consider that you're basically getting a universal game system for all your older game systems on your TV, that's really hard to beat. And at the same time, when you combine it with the Nvidia GeForce Now service, if you're somebody who wants to play some more of the modern PC games, you're going to be able to do that without going out there and spending thousands of dollars on a PC. And once again, it's so easy to use. And with all of those things combined, along with being the best streamer out there, I still feel the Nvidia Shield has no competition. It is king of the hill, and it's been that way since 2015. And so if you actually had any thoughts on this, whether you have the Nvidia Shield or some other streaming device, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if this is something that you want to pick up and you want to support my channel, I will also leave an affiliate link in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.